The One UI 9 update on the Samsung Galaxy A56 transforms the mid-range experience in ways that feel almost unreal for a non-flagship device, bringing a level of polish, performance, and intelligence previously reserved for Galaxy S and Z series phones. With a refreshed interface built on Android 17, One UI 9 delivers smoother animations, refined visuals, and next-level customization options that make everyday interactions feel crisp and seamless. The update also introduces smarter AI enhancements, including improved photo editing tools, more intuitive suggestions across apps, and deeper integration with Samsung's ecosystem, elevating the A56's capabilities well beyond expectations. Performance improvements are noticeable too, with better memory management and system optimization that boost responsiveness and efficiency in multitasking, gaming, and background processes. On the battery front, smarter power management helps extend battery life by reducing unnecessary drain, making the A56 even more reliable throughout the day. Overall, One UI 9 doesn't just upgrade the software, it reinvents how the Galaxy A56 feels and performs, delivering flagship-level refinements on a more affordable device.